Hey everybody, it's Sean with Price Realtors with this week's market report. So we've got a significant uptick in activity that's happening, and it's turning out to be still a bit of an opportunity for buyers to face a little less competition. So let's just get right into it. So you can see here the orange line is the increase in buyer activity. This is over the last 7 days. And if you follow the trend, you'll see that buyer activity is certainly increasing as we go into the spring and the summer market. Well, here is seller activity doing the same thing. It's had a few significant dips here, but there was a huge increase in seller activity this last week. So buyer and seller activity have actually gotten closer as far as equivalency to their total activity. But this is typically when we see an increase in listings, as end of March, April is when we see the peak in listings happening, and then we'll see the peak in purchases happening usually May, June. So what you need to be aware of is, even though you look over here, it looks like we're trending downwards towards a more of a favorable buyer's market. That may not necessarily be the case, because if we're trending upward in listings, that's bringing this down artificially. Whereas in the next couple months, when we start increasing that buyer activity, then this is going to move back into a strong seller's market. So what that means is, right now at this time, we have a little bit of an opportunity for buyers. There's still competition, it's still multiple offers, but it's not as severe as it could be, or as severe as it was back here, where you had this huge discrepancy between buyer activity and listings. It's gotten a lot closer. So there's more properties on the market right now. So buyers can go and there are less competition per market, but they're still going above ask. You still need to be prepared to be very strategic with your offers, as far as, waiving the contingencies that you can afford to waive, and looking at houses that are priced at a price point where you can afford to go above ask. It's still a difficult situation for buyers, but it's less difficult than it probably will be in the future. So I hope this makes sense. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out. You can DM me, you can call us, you can email us. You can find us at priceandpricerealtors.com. And just reach out, and we'll see you next week. Have a great day.